Hi, I have a 2013 EFI Yamaha Golf cart. It suddenly stopped working today and now the check engine light is flashing. One longer flash followed by two shorter flashes and the cart will not start at all. I replaced the battery and checked the oil and fuses. Any ideas?
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes, fuel tank is full and clean. Cart was running perfectly and has never missed a beat. Had it 3 years. Use it 2 to 3 times a week.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Just want an idea what it might be. First, I think it could be related to the EFI.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
When turning the ignition on, it used to make a noise like a little buzzing sound. Now the cart isn't working. I can't hear that noise anymore.
One long flash followed by two short flashes is code 12, which would be crankshaft position sensor. Do you have the manual for this machine? What model is it? I can get more info once I know the model or the machine.
It's a 2013 Yamaha Golf cart with fuel injection. The model is called the Drive. Do you know what the error is? I didn't pay $40 for no answer.
I need the model and serial number of the machine. Does the engine spin over? If not, go directly to the starter solenoid, where the positive battery cable attaches, and jump from the battery terminal to the switch terminal, to see if the engine spins. This checks the battery, cables, solenoid and the starter. If it does not spin, there is a problem with that group. Do you have a voltmeter to check the system?
The engine is spinning over but the cart will not drive now. It is showing error 43 and error 45, but the problem is I cannot find anywhere what the error codes mean. Can you please tell me where I can find the error codes for a 2013 Yamaha EFI golf cart? It's the first golf cart Yamaha made with EFI. In Australia the model is called the Drive. I have even called Yamaha dealers in Australia and they don't even know where to find the codes or what they mean. I forgot to add there is power going to the EFI, but it doesn't seem to be working.
All I get is owner's manual for the Drive, and it has 0 about error codes. But it seems to be a simple electrical system, and the thing that jumps out at me is the engine stop relay. See if you can locate the stop relay. It may have failed and now keeps the ignition system from firing. https://www.yamahagolfcar.com/ownersmanual/download/
Thanks for your help so far, Curtis. Latest update is I have found there is no power getting to the injector. There is a slight pulse. That is all. Hope this helps.
Did you find the engine stop relay and check it? It could kill the power to the ignition and injector.
Finally found the relay, changed it and fixed the problem straight away. You're a legend, Curtis. Thank you very much for all your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.